If a point light is used in a photoelectric effect experiment, if the source is removed farther away from the emitting metal, then stopping potential will. So first of all, let's understand what is the behavior of the point light. As we know that in case of point light, as we move away from the light, then intensity drops inversely proportional to the square of the distance. What is the effect of distance on frequency? No effect, because whatever is the frequency of light emitted by this point light, it will remain the same everywhere, but its intensity will drop. So what is the intensity? Intensity basically refers to number of photons emitted per second. Means it refers to this, means not exactly. Intensity is basically energy per unit time per unit area, and it is proportional to the number of photons emitted per second, because it is the total energy of the photons which make up the energy of light. Okay, so intensity, basically decrease of the intensity means the number of photons must have decreased. So here, what should be the effect on the stopping potential? As we know that if nu is the frequency of the light, then h nu is the work function plus half mv square, and if vc is the stopping potential, then we can write it that way. So here we can see that since there is no effect on frequency of the distance as the source is removed farther away from the emitting metal, so cutoff voltage is going to remain the same, because work function is dependent on the nature of the material being used for the emission of electrons. So here the option C will be the correct option to this question.